So, like I said in my last video, back to business as usual. Check out this next clip. This woman on a train has an absolute meltdown. I cannot believe she would even act like this in public. It's completely disrespectful to everyone else on the train. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Speak English. Speak English. You want to talk about me? Speak English, bitch. Speak English. Say what you gotta say in my language, bitch. You want to talk about somebody? Talk about me in my fucking language. Go ahead. Don't look around, because ain't nobody gonna fucking help you. Ain't nobody gonna help you, because you got on this fucking train and you started fucking with me. I didn't say shit to you. Fuck you and your child. You wanna start shit? Now you wanna tell me to be quiet? Bitch, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now you wanna act like a mother? Now you wanna act like a mother? Fuck out of here. Now you wanna act like a mother? Who the fuck is saying shush? You laughing? You can get smacked too, boo-boo. You can get smacked too, boo-boo. What? Say it again. Say that again. You ain't your bitch to get fucked up. You ain't your bitch to get fucked up. Yeah, like I said. Like I said. Like I said. What the fuck I said?
Is available to the F
You feel
and
fucking
R
bitch. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. You running your fucking mouth. And your bitch right there. Your bitch right
This
there.
shit is real
Your
right
bitch
now.
right there. Your bitch is pussy.
This shit is
Your
live.
bitch is pussy.
E-train.
You gotta run your
This
fucking
is
mouth.
Manhattan Bound E local
Yeah,
train.
right.
The next stop is Jackson
Yeah,
Heights.
right.
This that real shit. E-train shit.
Make my fucking day. Make my day.
This that
Make my
E-train.
day. Make my fucking day.
Queen.
Make my day. Make my day. Make my fucking day. This shit started all because of your fucking head. You dumb bitch. You dumb bitch. You got on the fucking train fucking with me. Minding my own fucking business. Minding my own business. Minding my own fucking business, yo. And then you would have had this fucking idiot and I'm fucking mad. Get the fuck up and go, bitch. Go. 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 Because I was minding my own fucking business. Minding my own fucking business. Make my day. I want you to make my day. Make my fucking day. Make my day. I was minding my own fucking business. My own business. I got on the train minding my own fucking business. Didn't say a word to nobody. No fucking body. Nobody. Just because I was by myself doing me shit. I hold my own fucking ground. I fight niggas and bitches. I fight niggas and bitches. Let you know that. Let you know that. I was minding my own fucking business. Didn't say a word to nobody. This shit started because of this stupid bitch.
E-train.
Because of you. Because of fucking you. You lucky. You lucky I want to go home. Because if I didn't want to go home, I'll beat your ass on this train. You and this stupid bitch right here. It was all because of y'all. Y'all fucking with me when I got on the fucking train. Minding my own fucking business. I'm gonna fucking see. A fucking seat! A seat! Oh, you got it for real? You gotta be fucking joking! You stupid idiot bitch! I swear if I didn't want to go home, I'll beat your ass and her ass too! Then I'll fuck your man up too!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an important message from the New York City Police Department.
Yeah, right, thank you!
Belonging to the Sunday
Fuck
all
up!
the time.
Fuck me, her ass on this train!
If you see a suspicious passage or activity on the
Unnecessary!
platform or train,
Fucking necessary!
keep it to yourself.
This bitch ain't got
Police
shit to do with
officer or an
it! Nothing
MTA
to do with
employee,
it!
remain alert and have a safe day.
That's right, you better save your fucking Puerto Rican bitch! She get her ass whooped! Trust me! Trust me!
I guess she hasn't seen that movie Anger Management.
Fuck, I hold my God!
Adam Sandler. Big shout out to Adam Sandler.
I get to name all day, every day! I don't give a fuck.
E-Train.
I don't give a fuck.
Queens.
I don't.
Mind your own business, people.
I don't give a fuck about jail or nothing. It doesn't mean a fucking thing. It doesn't mean a thing. It doesn't mean shit. I'm in my own fucking business. This bitch is had to be the one to get on the train and say something to me.
Mind you, this been going on before I started recording.
Now you ain't got shit to say, bitch. After you done started this shit, you ain't got shit to say. Now you wanna be a fucking mother? Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? You gotta be joking. You gotta be joking. You gotta be joking. One of these people better get off my stop. Or somebody better get off my fucking stop. I did all this for what? Or somebody gonna get off my stop. Y'all come over here. Or I'm about to fuck somebody up today. Oh, I'm really about to fuck somebody up today. I think it's 13 more. I don't do this. I do not do this. I don't do this shit in the street. I don't do this. Bring you out your fucking character, man. I'm about to say, I'm
I wonder what side she is.
I'm about to beat her ass on this fucking train. I am really about to whoop your ass.
I said it's 13 more stops.
Oh, for us.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now you see me want to whoop your fucking ass. Now you want to play mommy, bitch. Oh, don't play mommy now. Don't play fucking mommy now. Play mommy when I whoop your ass. Play mommy when your ass on the way to the fucking emergency room, bitch. You got some fucking nerve. You want to fucking stand fucking with somebody. Then when I'm ready to get in that ass, you want to get up and leave. So I'm ready to fuck something up. Fuck those songs. I get off your ass. I get off your ass. I don't fucking nobody, son. No fucking body. I got this train out of my own fucking business. I'm trying to go my way.
Mind your own business, E-Train.
Trying to go my fucking separate way.
If they smoke, I'm turned off. If they drink, I'm out of there. If they're stupid, I'm bored. If they're mean, I'm bored. If they're trying to use me, I'm out of there. So I guess I'm very picky. If they don't work out, I'm not interested. If the mind is lazy and the body's lazy, who cares?